सो आर यू वन ऑफ दो जिसको लगता है यार टेक्स्ट बुक्स कम है क्या कि अब हम नॉवेल्स पढ़े, वो भी इतनी मोटी मोटी नॉवेल्स कोई कैसे पढ़ सकता है? Okay, trust me, even I was the same way at a point in my life. But then during my school days, almost when I was in 11th grade, that is when one of my friend recommended me a books, and ever since then I have been loving reading. And I do understand कि मोटी मोटी books पढ़ना एक task हो जाता है, especially if you are a beginner and आपको reading habit नहीं है. In that case, I would suggest कि आप हमेशा छोटी books से ही start करें. So hello and namaste. For today's video, I have shortlisted for you guys 5 books under 200 pages that are amazing, and all of them fall under the category of self-help books. Okay, so the first book is How to Be Great at Your Job by Justin Kerr, and it is just of 106 pages, you guys. And as the name of the book suggests, if you are a working employee or if you are a fresher and you wish to work in the corporate world, then this book is very helpful. It has given so many tips and tricks to actually survive in an office and how to deal with your boss and stuff like that. And I think it's very informative. Like, even if you are not an employee, some things mentioned in the book are going to be really helpful even in your real life. So you wouldn't miss out on this book for sure. And the PDF, the link for the PDF will be in the description. So you have to read this book for sure. The second book is Life's Amazing Secrets by my favorite author and motivational speaker Gaur Gopal Das. This book is of 206 pages, and guys, I don't know how to really explain it, but I think it's a masterpiece book. You must read it, and if you don't know who Gaur Gopal Das is, then just go and Google him down. He is a monk and he was an engineer before, and he has done some great work, and this book is an example of that. And काफी छोटी book है, बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं है, आप पढ़ना start करोगे, and it is a self-help book, but इसमें stories भी है, एक conversation भी है. So once you start reading it, you will get to know how amazing this book is. The third book is 2 Day Down by again an Indian author, Nikita Lalwani, and this book covers 5 different stories of different women dealing with life problems and menstrual health problems. And I really liked the book because few things were very relatable to me, and I felt that this is a must read, especially for women. No, it is not women oriented book, obviously everyone can read it, but for women it's very helpful, and I really appreciate the work done by the author. I think not everyone has the guts to write content on such topics. So yeah, that's again 194 pages, not a big deal, guys. You've got to read this one. The next book is Heaven is for Real, written by Todd Burpo, and guys, this book is based on a real story of a little child, and there's also a movie made on this novel. So if just in case if you want to see, it's available on YouTube, I think. And if you are an atheist and you don't believe in God, then this book is something made for you. It's written by Todd Burpo. What an amazing work he has done, and I was in love with the story and of course the criteria and the concept of believing in God. And it basically tells you that heaven does exist. Like the story of Colton, that is this child, जिसके ऊपर ही कहानी लिखी गई है, it depicts that he has actually seen heaven. And मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगी, and this book is of 163 pages, and मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊँगी because I don't want to give the spoilers. लेकिन आप चाहो तो एक brief summary या फिर थोड़ा बहुत इसके बारे में गूगल कर सकते हैं ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि स्टोरी में क्या है, and then you can read the book. And once you start reading, ये बिल्कुल 1 या 2 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगी because interesting बहुत है, and also काफी इमोशनल और सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है. तो जरूर if you are Christian and you believe in Christianity, then so you are gonna love this book. Although I'm not a Christian, but still I loved the book. And yeah, if you are a beginner, then you can start reading just by starting with this book. And this brings us to our last book, which is Confidence, written by Martin Meadows. और ये सिर्फ 63 पेजेस की बुक है, आराम से गूगल पे अवेलेबल है. और जैसा कि नाम में ही लिखा है कॉन्फिडेंस, इफ यू आर समबडी, यू आर एन इंट्रोवर्ट, या फिर आप और अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हो, एंड एट सिचुएशंस यू फील लाइक यू हैव द कैलिबर, यू हैव द एम्बिशन, द पोटेंशियल, बट बिकॉज लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, लैक ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेल्फ बिलीव आप कहीं ना कहीं पे लैक कर जाते हो, देन दिस बुक विल गिव यू दैट self motivation that you need, and it's very inspiring also at the same time. And guys, 63 pages, okay, इतना तो हम टेक्स्ट बुक में भी जब पढ़ने बैठते थे तो 50 पन्ना निकल जाता, पता नहीं चलता, तो 63 पेजेस इज नॉट अ बिग डील। तो ये पांचों बुक्स जो मैंने बताई है मैंने सारी पढ़ रखी है, इनफैक्ट मैंने इस पे समरीज भी लिख रखी हैं। ओके, नाउ दैट्स द पार्ट ऑफ माय जॉब एनीवे, नॉट गेटिंग इनटू दैट, बट या इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर एंड यू डोंट हैव द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग, अगर आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो एज अ रीडर, then you can start with these 5 books. Also, if you want me to make a part 2 of this video covering books of different genres, like इसमें मैंने ज्यादातर self help books cover करी हैं, but if you want me to suggest you books like थोड़ा जिसमें thriller हो, romance हो, romantic novels हो, then please let me know. And yeah, I think that's about it for the video. Informative लगा हो तो you got to like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment down कौन सी book आपने पढ़ रखी already, and we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye.